Racing just started. Renzi Smile had a very bad start. We have Devil's Eye, very quickly restart, moving up on the outside now is Hula Joy, Hairless Moment in the middle, Rain Dancer, Dutch Last comes next, Complexion, Crystalline, while Renzi Smile is the early trailer, Ram going along for the first turn. We have Devil's Eye by about 2 lengths, right behind it second is Hula Joy, Hairless Moment comes next, alongside comes Rain Dancer, Dutch Last, Complexion, Crystalline, while Renzi Smile is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Devil's Eye by about 2 lengths. Hula Joy in second. Careless Moment is down in third. Alongside comes entry number 6, Rain Dancer. Complexion moving up. Crystalline, Dutch Last, while Renzi Smile is still racing in 8th. And at the far turn we have Devil's Eye maintaining a length and a half lead. Hula Joy, Careless Moment. Then here comes Rain Dancer now coming closer as they come to the last 400. We have Devil's Eye moving up on the outside, Rain Dancer in the middle portion, Careless Moment as they swing for home. Devil's Eye and on the outside, Rain Dancer, Careless Moment in the middle. Hula Joy comes next with about 100 meters of the race. We have Rain Dancer moving up on the outside, Devil's Eye is running by the rail, and finally it's Rain Dancer. Careless Moment, Devil's Eye, Hula Joy, then comes Crystalline for your Pentapecta.
Ang ganda ng bakbakan nila sa rekta. Alright. Time of the race.